Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
My mom has these.
Cinnamon challenge.
I'm looking at that drawer, that freaking thing.
Oh boy.
This is gonna be so funny.
What kind of a spoon is that?
It's a tablespoon. I told you, a tablespoon.
That's a deep spoon.
The lighting sucks.
That's a lot of cinnamon.
Are you recording for the internet?
Yep.
Hold on a second. I gotta see this. Did you clean out the sink in case he... I did.
Why does everybody think I'm gonna puke?
Because it's very, very possible.
There's a lot of cinnamon.
Alright, Tyler,
Mike,
go.
he'll eat it. He'll eat
Cinnamon
anything.
challenge.
Mm. Mm.
Why is your pain funny?
Mm.
Swallow? Okay, that's... Oh my god.
I need water. Water. Oh my god. That didn't help. This is horrible.
His facial expressions are hilarious.
This is horrible. Oh my god.
You want to do it again?
Nope. This is not helping. That's horrible.
I know.
Nuh-uh. I'm sticking with this. Oh my god, I'm never doing that again.
It's not even 10:30 in the morning. Doing the cinnamon challenge.
10:23. Oh my god, that's horrible.
You gonna attempt this one over again?
Nope. I'll stick to the garlic salt challenge. I've always wanted to try that. The cinnamon challenge. I'm never doing that again.
Dog.
You get cinnamon too? I thought I was gonna die.
Oh my god. That was so damn funny.
That was disgusting.